Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eden. I do cleaning and organizing videos. Today I will go ahead and do shop and save with me. I haven't done since last July, but fall time is the temperature of the price is changed. So we're gonna see, are we gonna make extra money or are we gonna spend extra money? We're gonna check it out. And I'm gonna go ahead and clean my fridge before I put all the grocery I got. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. تخبركم أحواتكم قاعد حمزكم لو ما عندك خاني شاب إن سيفينا خنجبر جولاي مس جبركي بدحري وكا كال فيديو سرح كونيرة لو مجن تي برايس لزلاوت تين دمس أخوان مساهم شير جبري كنت فتوز فيديو حتى سفا جبر بزمت كيزي خريكمي يغني لي. Okay guys, I got 25 pounds onions. This time it was $16.95. The price is a little bit higher than last July. You see? Okay guys, I also got 25 pounds of tomatoes and the price is $19.49. As you can see, fall price is a little bit higher than the summer price. I gotta wash each of them and then I'm gonna place it in the fridge and I'll show you how I do that. Alright, next, the chopped spinach. I got 3 of them. It's $1.99 each. So I got 3 of them. And the broccoli is $2.50. This is 2 pounds. So I got 2 of them. Alright. Alright. Let me see. £1 garlic. I got it for $2.31. And mozzarella cheese was, this one is huge, you guys. It's really big. Let's see the size. Okay, this is 6 pounds cheese and we got it for $12.24. And then cheddar. This is 5 pounds. No, sorry. 1.5 pounds. $4.75. All the prices a little bit higher than last summer, but the cheese is a little bit cheaper though. From Harris Teeter, I got lasagna. I got 3 of them. And I got some tomato paste because you didn't see the tomato paste, the big one that I use buy, so it's better to get that one. It's much cheaper, but I got those for emergency. So that was it for today guys, but I'm gonna go ahead and put away the grocery I got. تماتو حوات نايلومي فول مالتيو كنت لي كبري لولو أسبيزا مالتيو كافت زغنيو سامر جولاي حنت فيديو غير نيره كل حدا سله دغوني دي بلكو كل اكزي دي دكونكم كن شكرتي 19 قرشين 4 سنتيم توميتو قاني زي كوميدره 16 قرشين 95 سنتيم زي سبيناش قاني قرشين 9 مالتيو بروكولي قاني فروز دغونها كنت قرشين 50 تشيز كات عبي 10 قرشين 24 سنتيم تي تشيدر تشيز كاني 4 قرشين 75 مستي ناي هارستيتر كل مولو 86 قرشين 75 سنتيم فينا مالتيو معت ገንዘብ በርሴቭ ገርና ተሐሰብኩም ማለትዩ ዝሁሉ ኮሚደር ሕጂ ኣብ ግሮሰሪ ስቶር ተኸይድኩም ዝሁሉ በ10 ትገዝኡን ይሁን 16 ሄድናሉ ነህና ማለት 17 ዳርጋ ማለትዩ ሶ ዚኔሩ ሕጂ ባር እዚ ኮሚደር በሙሉ ሐጽበዩ ማለትዩ በኢደይ በባህደ ዳወልወልኩ ከአሙጤ እቲ ፍሪጅ ይቃጽሪየ ማለትዩ Okay guys, I just wash my tomatoes one by one and now I'm drying it to place it in my fridge.
Everything is wrong, you feel like it's your fault. Just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you, don't forget it. When life throws lemons, just call on me. Just call on me. You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby.
Okay guys, that was it for today. I hope you enjoy it. I will see you in the next one. يعني اللي حوات فتيهم مختكونوا تسفان دا قبركو أبزي متسكي زخريكمي. I love you all so much. Do not forget to subscribe and share.